Alright guys, new SE plugin came out. It's called psnfucker. Basically what this does is it enables your PSN on your PlayStation Portable. I'm going to show you how to install this SE plugin correctly on your PlayStation Portable. Now, the directions that were given to me were in Japanese, so it was a pain in the ass. So, be lucky that I did this for you guys. But other than that, it's really great. So props to the guys that made this, and hopefully they come out with some more new shit. And yeah, I'll keep that up to date for you guys and make videos on your stuff that you make and give you props on every fucking one. So other than that, let's get down to business, I should say, and enable our PSN so we can buy stuff off the PlayStation Network and online gaming with your PSP. So without further ado, let's go. Alright, so right now I have a PlayStation Portable 2000 model. This is also for the 1000 models as well. It does not work with 3000s, unfortunately. If we go to PSP system settings and scroll down to system information, you will see that I'm currently running on 5.50 Gen D3, and this is the fixed version for all you. And basically what this does is enables your PSN. Now give me one quick second, because I already installed the plugin to prove that it works, but I'm going to uninstall it and show you what your message would look like if you don't have this installed yet. Okay, so I'm back after uninstalling the whole thing. Now if you go to the PlayStation Store icon on your PSP and click on it, you will see that this will connect to your Wi-Fi wherever you are, and also it'll obtain your IP address like normal, and you click sign in, and basically this message is going to come up. It'll say, currently the server is down, maybe down for maintenance or updating. Please try again later. 200000001. So there's your problem right there. It's not down for maintenance. It's down because Sony is blocking us. So basically what we're going to do, after realizing my firmware and stuff that I've shown you, connect your PSP into USB mode and then come to the computer. So there you go, USB mode, let's go. Alright, so first things first, I'm going to show you the file that I'm going to have you download. It's going to be called psnfucker.prx. Basically, I've set this up for you guys. Actually, I haven't done that yet. Let me do that real quick right now. Alright, so now that we're all updated and in English, there's the psnfucker.rar. You want to double click on that and open that up. Ow! Falling out of my chair here. Okay. Come on, I ain't got all day. Okay, so now your extraction program is going to come up, or whatever the hell you have. If you don't have one, just right click on it and say extract all. Now inside here you're going to see what I've set up for you. The GAME.txt, psnfucker.prx, readme text, and the VSH text. The readme text has everything that you need to know in order to do this correctly, and the game text, VSH text, and the psnfucker.prx are what we are going to be looking at. So what we're going to do now is open up my computer. Come the fuck on. Fucking slow ass computer. I can't wait to get my Alienware, yo. Okay, so now that my computer is finally opened, open up the removable drive for the PSP. Okay, so once that opens up, you're going to right click on the root of your memory stick and select new and select folder. Now you're going to call this folder, all lowercase letters, psnfucker. You're going to call it psnfucker. Now, what you're going to do is open up that folder, go to your extracted files, and drag and drop the psnfucker.prx into the psnfucker folder on your MSO root. Once that's done, go back, and if you haven't already, create a folder called SEplugins, all in lowercase letters as well. Open that up. Now, if you haven't already, you'll have a VSH.txt in here. If you haven't got that, just drag and drop the one that I give you in the extraction program into the SEplugins folder. But what we're going to do now is open up the VSH text in the extracted program. or the extracted files that I give you for the download, and you're gonna see written in here ms0:/psnfucker/psnfucker.prx space 1. What you're gonna do is highlight all of that and hit Control C or Command C if you have a Mac and copy it. What you're gonna do now is exit that and go to your SEplugins folder on the PSP memory stick. Open up the VSH text document on the PSP's memory stick now, and you can see I have some stuff written in here still. Go to your last one and go to a new line and hit Control or Command V, and you should paste inside ms0:/psnfucker/psnfucker.prx space 1. Exit the VSH text document and hit yes to save the changes, and now go to your game text document and do the same thing. So what you're going to do is hit enter, make a new line, command or control V to paste, and have the same thing written in there. So that's written, hit yes to save, and that calls it a day for the memory stick modifications. So we can exit this now, and we can exit the extracted files that you have there and come back to the PSP. Alright, so back at the PSP, we're going to exit USB mode like so. Now your PSN is not going to work right away, so what you're going to do right now is hold the power button up on the PSP until it turns off. As you can see, I'm doing that right now. It takes about 5 seconds. Now hold down the right trigger, or the R button, and turn the power back on, and this will access your recovery menu. Once you do that, you're going to go down to configuration and scroll down till you see fake region. It's about halfway down, and keep tapping it until you get till it says fake region currently debug type 1. So you have Mexico, Austria, East, Taiwan, Russia, China, debug type 1. Leave it as that, and then also scroll down to the use M33 Network update, and it should say not yet or disabled. So you should have not yet there, and you should have this as debug type 1. Go back and go down to plugins. Be sure that the psnfucker.prx for VSH and game are enabled, and they usually are automatically on the 5.50 gen, and then exit the recovery menu. Wait for your system to reboot like normal. It will not skip the Sony logo because you have gone to the recovery menu manually. And now what we're going to do is scroll over to the shop at the PlayStation Store, the PlayStation Store icon, and click on it. Now we're going to go through the same process like we did before, connecting to the Wi-Fi and obtaining the IP address. And what you're going to do is, an important thing is, do not use the automatic sign-in. Do not use it or else this will not work. Sign in, and it'll say please wait, and we have just bypassed the little security that Sony has put up, and voila, there you are, the PlayStation Store, where you can download all your cool stuff from. Ta-da! So that's about it, and then just exit whenever you're ready and call it a day. Alright guys, so that about does it. Your PSN is now enabled thanks to my tutorial, and thanks to the people that made, the guy that made this possible with the SEplugin that he has created called psnfucker. So thanks for watching. I really hope you enjoy this SEplugin. I really enjoy it because now I can play online with my friends with my PSP, and I can play on SOCOM and stuff like that. And other than that, thanks for watching. I will have the link for download along with a write-up on the side of the video with more information on how to do this correctly. I converted everything to English, so don't worry about it. Everything's fine. If you have any questions, there's a text document, a readme text inside the extraction files that I've given you for you to use as a reference outside of YouTube. And tell your friends, subscribe to my channel, keep up to date. If you have any questions, send me a comment, leave me a message, I'll be happy to reply. You got any recommendations for any other videos, leave a comment on my channel page and I will get back to you on letting you know if I'm going to make that video or not. And other than that, thanks for watching. This is DeathRain333 signing out on YouTube, and you guys will see me again. Take it easy, guys.